Is it possible to create a mini course in Kajabi in under 15 minutes, including sales page, email, offer? Let's get started and let's try this out. What we're going to do is I'm going to actually start this countdown timer and I'm going to go right through the process of how I would do it. So here we go. Let's see how we do. So in Kajabi, this is one of my dummy accounts. I don't have a whole lot going on in here, so this would be similar to what you might have with a fresh account of Kajabi. First thing we're going to do is we're going to come in here to courses under products, and you're going to create your first course. So we're going to click get started. Now you can do evergreen or cohort. Now cohort is if you are going to do this live with a live group and you're going to have live sessions, but we're not. This is going to be evergreen. Click on next. And we're going to give it a title. So I'm going to choose something random here. How to do Facebook video ads. Let's say that is my mini course title. And by the way, for a mini course, you want to choose something very specific so that we can cover it. Now, a brief description. This is important because Kajabi leverages AI and it'll actually create an outline, landing page copy, email based on what you put here. So we're going to say something like a mini course that teaches someone how to get started with Facebook video ads. Okay. So again, we're going to leave this turned on so that it uses and leverages AI. So here we go. Let's click next. All right, it's going to ask us our primary color. So let's say I want to go with this blue and then accent color, something really dark blue, maybe something like this. And you can see it change over here on this side. Now you can upload a thumbnail if you would like. We're going to skip that for now, but this is where you would upload the thumbnail of the image for your course. All right, we're gonna make this free or paid. Now I don't have any payment system connected to this. You can easily connect Stripe. There's also Kajabi payments, which allows for Apple Pay and more. You can also do PayPal. I'm just gonna keep this free to keep this simple. So we're gonna keep it free and we're gonna click on next. Okay, what it's doing now is it's creating the outline for this course. Now here's what it's created. It's created 3 modules, 3 lesson ideas under each module. It's created a landing page and it's also created an email that we could send out. So here we go. Let me see if I can zoom this in a little bit more so you can see this a little better. We have 3 modules: introduction to Facebook video ads, creating your first Facebook video ad, and optimizing your Facebook video ad. If we open these, you can see it gives you what is recommended for you to cover this topic thoroughly in a mini course. 3 lessons. So you would record a video on setting up your Facebook business account, 1 on understanding Facebook video ads and exploring the Facebook Ads Manager. Same thing under this one, setting up your ads in Ads Manager, planning your video ad, creating your video, and then A/B testing, understanding ad performance, and improving your video ads based on performance. Pretty cool, huh? I think it's pretty awesome. So if you were to jump into one of these, just to show you what it actually looks like, you can do a video, you can do an audio. If you wanted to keep it as none, you can see here it provides a lot of text, again, that the AI is creating that's specific to this lesson. So what I would typically do is I would record a video based off of the recommendation here if I were creating this. And then I would just come here, pick the file, upload the video. Kajabi hosts your video for you. So you just upload it, it's done. You decide if you want this to be hidden, visible, or locked on the comments. I typically just keep mine hidden, but if you want to make it available to your customers, you can leave it as visible. You can pick a thumbnail and then you just turn this to published. And once you did that over your 9 videos here, then your course is ready to go. Now attached to this is going to be an offer. So we're going to click over here to the offer and we're just going to look at this real quick. Now right now, obviously it's free. I can always change this and change the pricing right here. It already includes my offer in here. And so if I want to just see what if I want to edit the checkout, I can come over here And I would just change some of these up based off of what I wanted to share on how to do Facebook video ads with the courses, right? I would just follow this format here. I would give it some kind of call to action here. Discover the secrets to successful Facebook video ads. And what you'll get, I would put in some things here and then maybe here. And this is pretty much done. Now you can click on this header up here if you do not want it to show. Just uncheck that box, enable banner, hit save. And there you go. Now if it had a price, this is ready to go. It's ready for someone to purchase it. Okay, so that is good to go. We've got that. All right, so assuming that we've taken those 9 videos and we've uploaded them, what else can we do here? Another thing that you can do is if you come over here to website, go down here to landing pages, the AI tool has also created a sales page, a very simple sales page, but a sales page for you right here. Pretty cool, huh? We click into this and we can see here that it's got a title, Master Facebook Video Ads with our exclusive mini course. Tired of boosting posts with success, without success, it's time. It's likely you're missing key targeting strategies. Sign up now for early access. Now, obviously it's showing free because we made it free, but here's a little thing I would do. If you click on this, it puts you into the box, which is form. If we click back, we can see the text is this right here, and the form is this right here. We can add one, and I would choose call to action, and I would say something like join now. And what I love about Kajabi is because it's all-in-one tool, this is very simple to integrate everything together. So we can come over here to checkout page, and guess what? Here is the checkout page we just looked at. Now that is attached. We can change the background color to something a lot better, which is green. For this, we can make it a little bit bigger, make it full length. If we click on back, now one of the cool things you could do is you could hide an element if you want it to get out of the way. So on form, I can click here and simply hide it. And then if I click on this text box here and I make this full width, boom, just like that, I've got the title. Someone can click here to purchase. It also, I can add in some images here if I wanted to, but it also gives me some copy here, expert guidance, practical skills, proven strategies, some copy here, and I could put an image. And then look what it does. It actually does some FAQ questions for you. So these are already built in. Do I need any prior experience? It gives an answer. How long is this course? It gives you an answer. Can I access it at any time? Gives you an answer. You can add more if you want. And if we look at the preview, we can see here that very quickly, and I probably should have saved it. So let me save it. Now let's look at the preview. You can see here we've got a simple sales page ready to go. Add in some images, maybe a little bit more copy if we wanted to. This is ready to go. All right, how are we doing on our time? We got 6 minutes still left. So what else could we do? We ought to tell people about it. And by the way, are you enjoying this? Would you like for me to create more content like this? If so, here's what I'd ask for you to do. Right now you can click like, you can also hit subscribe and even hit the bell notification so that you're notified anytime a new video comes out. All right, let's jump right back into it. We still got a few minutes here. What else could we do? We need to market this. And so Kajabi also has your email list built in. So if we go back here to marketing, go down to email campaigns, when we created our simple mini course outline, it also created an email for us. So we can jump into that. So here is the subject line, exclusive early access, unleash the power of Facebook video ads. That's a little bit long, so maybe I do something like early access, secrets to Facebook video ads. All right, down here, we've got some copy here that we can look at. It's gonna say, we're thrilled to announce, I won't read all this, we don't have time, but look at this. It's like giving bullet points. It's selling this course for you. Now, here's what I would recommend, because by default, we have no link to click on to go over to the sales page, right? But again, this is why I love Kajabi. It's all integrated. So let me show you what I would do. We come over here on this side over here and click on back. We can turn on this button. If you don't have it, you can always hit add section and add this button, but right now it's hidden. So we are going to show it. You can see our button here. If we click into it, we can say something like learn more. And again, with our link action, we can say what? Go to a landing page, and there's our sales page. Pretty cool, right? Let's change the background color to green. And now when someone clicks on this, it will take them directly to it. Now, one little pro tip here, if we wanted this to be more like a button that's in the middle of our email, let's just grab maybe the last part here. And I just copied it or cut, and I'm going to paste it, and I'll show you what I'll do. Come over here to add section. Let's add a text. And now we can paste in what we grabbed right here. And then let's say, oh, I want this kind of in the center. I can come down here. I could make this thicker. I could do a lot of options here. I can make it medium size. We'll stick with small, but I'm gonna put it as center. All right, save, and then hit preview. And this is the email, right? Hello, Thrifty Reseller Hub member. That's just the name of this particular demo account. We're thrilled to announce that our exclusive early access to our highly anticipated online course, How to Do Facebook Video Ads, is now live. Imagine being able to do this. Benefits, right? Wouldn't it be a game changer? Learn more. It will take them directly to that sales page. And there you go. How much time do we have? We got 2.5 minutes. So there you go. That is the process that you take. And that's why I love Kajabi. Because even if you don't love all the different lessons that it gives you, the AI does, it gives you some ideas. You can tweak it, change it. And so can you see how powerful this can be? In less than 15 minutes, even while I was teaching it, which took a little bit longer, I've been able to walk you through creating the outline, creating the actual course, the checkout page, the sales page, and an email to sell it. Now, all you have left to do, if I was actually going to make this course live, would be record the 9 videos, and maybe I could do that in a weekend, upload it, and then by Monday, make that video or make that email go out, and boom, I can start getting sales. That's the power of Kajabi. I'm a big fan of Kajabi. I've been using them for a long time now, and hopefully you've enjoyed this. By the way, if you want more videos on Kajabi, then I suggest that you check out this video right here. We'll see you over at that video.